It's time to strip this thing. Let's get this thing down to the bare basics so we start putting a cage in it. All right, so this is an old trick I learned from the Demo Derby guys years ago. Duct tape on the windows to try to control the glass mess. Outside, I put some on the inside too, but it's been a while since I've seen this trick used. I'm really hoping it works. We'll still have some glass mess, but we'll see what happens, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to show you how we skin doors. For those of you building a mini stock, back in the day we used to do this with street stocks, but now street stocks are pretty much aftermarket bodies because it's kind of getting hard to find the older G bodies and Camaros to cut up and actually steal sheet metal off of. So now it's mini stocks, and we actually use a stock real car. Basically, what we're going to do here is you don't use the whole door. You only want the lightweight part of it, so just the outer skin. So basically what you do is you take a grinder and you actually run it right along this pinched edge all the way around the front, bottom, and back of the door. That'll free the skin up. A lot of times it's bonded in the middle with bonding adhesive and stuff. You might have to stick a scraper in there and pop it. I've never done a cobalt door, so I'm not sure exactly how this is going to work, but that's basically how you do it. And then on these doors we don't actually use the top part, so I'm going to take a cutoff wheel and run it right along under the mirror and under the weather stripping here to separate the top part, and then the skin should just come free. And then you just take the skin and stick it on the car and you're done after you get the cage and stuff in. But we're going to skin these doors quick and set them aside until we get the cage done. So here we go. All right, All right, so we've been at it all day. As you can see, we are pretty much ready to put a cage in. Still got to pull the dash out, but all the glass is out, all the interior is out except for the dash. That's coming out of there. The new one is right there. Then we got some suspension stuff that has to go in there. Yeah, that was good progress. I mean, most of the interior was out in about 3 hours. The glass took another 2 hours probably after the initial duct tape part. We had to go around and clean all the edges off, you know, the scraper and Sawzall and get all that stuff out of there. But we're in good shape for a good day's work. Catch you guys next time. Keep it creative and happy building.